Most people trying to fix their credit are doing it backwards. Let me show you the right order. I'm gonna have to say something that's gonna hurt for a second. Your credit is not bad because you made mistakes. Your credit is bad because you're missing 6 accounts that every wealthy person, every bank, and every credit expert uses. But nobody ever explains this to regular people. And the crazy part, if you open the right accounts in the right order, your credit score goes up on autopilot and your debt gets even easier to manage. And suddenly money starts working for you, even if your score is in the 500s. Yes, I said it, in the 500s, because that's a thing. So today I'm giving you the 6 accounts that change everything and the exact order to open them in. And make sure to stay with me until the end because I'm giving you the account setup that can legally drop your taxes close to 0 if you do it right. So let's get into it. Now remember, there are going to be 6 accounts that you do not want to miss. We're gonna start with number 1. Account number 1 is a high yield savings account, what I call the don't go broke account. Everyone in the credit repair game ignores this account, but this is the account that stops you from going backwards. A high yield savings account is not for getting rich. Let's just be clear about that. It's for not going broke while you're trying to fix your credit. But here's the truth that nobody says. You can't rebuild credit if every emergency becomes a credit card swipe. If your tire pops, your kids get sick, your car battery dies. No high yield savings account equals swipe a card, balance goes up, score goes down. A high yield savings account equals crises absorbed. Score stays clean and you move forward. Here's how to use it. Make sure to set up automatic transfers every day. Hit $1,000 as fast as you possibly can. Then build towards 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is not a DoorDash fund, not a concert fund, emergencies only. Now here are the mistakes that you need to avoid. Keeping savings in a checking account earning 0.0001%. Yeah, because that's really a thing. Using your high yield savings accounts for fun emergencies. Having no buffer, then wondering why credit won't improve. This is your foundation because account number 2 is what builds your score fast if you do it right. Now, account number 2 is the credit card, as what I like to call the credit builder account. A lot of you have bad credit because you learned the wrong lesson. You thought credit cards were the enemy, but the real enemy is interest, fees, and not knowing the rules. I honestly can't tell you how many times I've heard, credit cards are bad, they're the devil, stay away from them. And I'm like, oh my God, like this is not 1942 people. We just have to use them responsibly and understand how to use them properly because credit cards, when used correctly, are the fastest way to go from 500 to 600s and then to 700s. Here's why you absolutely need one. Number 1, it builds your credit mix. FICO loves this. And remember, FICO is the only score that matters, not Credit Karma or any Vantage credit scores. Number 2, it builds payment history, your number 1 credit factor. Number 3, it protects you from fraud. It's the bank's money, not your money. That's the best part about it. Number 4, it rewards you, cash back, travel points, but only if you avoid interest. That's the catch. Now let's talk about how to use it. First, put only your normal monthly bills on it. Then set your auto pay for the statement balance. And then my favorite, that I'm a huge proponent of, keep utilization under 10%. Now let's talk about the mistakes that keep people stuck in bad credit. Paying only minimum payments, treating the limit like it's free money because it's not. Remember, it's not your money. And the biggest one I see is chasing points by overspending, and then you're in debt. And then the biggest one of all, carrying a balance because I heard it builds credit. No, it destroys it. So now that your high yield savings account is protecting you and your credit card is building you, we move on to the account that builds actual wealth. Now moving on to account number 3, the 401k or 403b, which I like to call the free money account. I'm gonna be honest with you. Most people with bad credit think retirement accounts don't matter, but here's the truth. Credit is short-term survival, and retirement accounts are long-term escape. Your employer's retirement plan is the only place where you can get free money. I know that sounds crazy, But people really disregard this more than ever, because if your job matches contributions and you're not contributing, you're not just skipping savings, you are literally refusing a bonus every paycheck. So let's talk about how to use it. Contribute enough to get the full match or the bare minimum. Select a low-cost, broad index funds. Increase contributions when income rises, and actually invest the money. Don't let it sit in cash. Now let's talk about some mistakes to avoid. Thinking I'll start later, because let's be honest, later equals never. And then leaving old 401ks behind when changing jobs. I did this I don't know how many times, to be honest with you. And the final one is paying high hidden fees. So now that your foundation and credit are stabilizing, we move on to the account that's the cheat code for future wealth. Account number 4 is my favorite. It is a Roth IRA, the tax-free millionaire account. The Roth IRA is where ordinary people become wealthy on accident. Why? Because the money grows tax-free and comes out tax-free if you follow the rules. Let me say that again, tax-free growth. So if you've ever felt like you'll never catch up, this account is how you catch up. So let's talk about how to use it. Automate monthly contributions, invest in broad index funds, let time do the heavy lifting. Pay attention to what I just said there. Let time do the heavy lifting for you. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Brandon, Brandon's credit score went up 185 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Ashley's credit score went up 218 points after just 2 rounds with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget about Julio. Julio's credit score went up 266 points after just 1 round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be pinned at the very top of the comments and in the video description for anyone that needs to fix their credit. A great example, my son, he's 19 right now. He started at 18. He has massive millionaire potential. If you start at 30 or 40, still huge potential. And stop with the thought process, oh, well, I'm 50, I'm 60, it's too late. It's never too late to get started. So let's also talk about some mistakes to avoid. Leaving contributions in cash, panic selling during dips. This is a huge one that we see all the time. Oh my God, the stock market's down, my money's crushed. No, just hold the line, please. Hold the line. People don't panic when it's going up, do they? They hold the line still no matter what. Putting in money during high income years. Tax reasons. But the next account, this one is so powerful it should be illegal, but it's not. Account number 5 is the HSA. The triple tax advantage account is what I call it. You ready for the most overpowered account in the US? The health savings account. Yes, I know people say, why? That's trash. It's actually not. Because this account does 3 things no other account can do. Number 1, money goes in tax-free. Number 2, money grows tax-free. And number 3, money comes out tax-free for health expenses. It's the only triple tax advantage account in existence. And you can even treat it like a retirement account after the age of 65. You see that? You see what we just did there? So let's talk about how to use it like wealthy people. Number 1, of course, contribute. Keep a small buffer and invest the rest. Pay medical costs with cash and save receipts. And make sure to reimburse yourself years later while the account grows. Now, there are some mistakes that you need to avoid, so let's cover those also. Using the HSA today instead of letting it grow. Never investing it and keeping it at a provider with monthly fees. That's the biggest one of all. You want to try to avoid those monthly fees as much as possible because it is possible. Now, the last account is the one that actually sets you free. Finally, account number 6, a brokerage account. The I'm done working account is what I like to call it. This is your what I like to call the do whatever you want with your life account. No contribution limits, no employer rules, no retirement age restrictions. And the biggest perk, long-term capital gains can be taxed way lower than regular income. For people escaping bad credit and bad money habits, this is the account that gets you out of the survival mode permanently. So of course, let's cover how to use it. Fund it after your other accounts are set. Invest in broad index funds. You guys keep hearing me repeat that? for a reason. Hold it long term. Ignore the day-to-day noise. This is very important with this. And think years, not weekends. Of course, there's mistakes to avoid. Day trading, okay? Options gambling, yeah, that's really a huge thing. And panic selling, and then checking it every 5 minutes. It's almost like a credit score. You get addicted. You keep opening it, check it, opening it, check it. Like, bro, calm down. If you're looking for excitement, go play Call of Duty or buy a motorcycle, okay? Because investing is supposed to be boring. Now, here's the part that everyone misses. This is the exact order that builds credit plus wealth the fastest. Last part's the most important. Now here's the exact order to open these accounts if your credit is bad or rebuilding. Number 1, a high yield savings account. Protect yourself from starting over. Number 2, credit card. Build your score responsibly. Number 3, a 401k or 403b match. Get the free money. You gotta get the free money. And number 4, a Roth IRA, which is tax-free growth for life. Number 5, the health savings account, which is the triple tax advantage. And number 6, a brokerage, unlimited wealth building. The rich don't just have money, they have these accounts. This is the blueprint they use, now you have it too. Listen, whatever you do, don't try to open all 6 today. Pick the one you don't have yet and start this week. And make sure to comment below which one you're opening next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.